Hello, this is John Takahashi with CVision AI, and this tutorial will cover bookmarks. So bookmarks just provide a way for you to quickly get back to a place where you were, somewhere within a project. It could be a specific video frame, a specific annotation, or an image. So to start, let's make a bookmark for a localization. So here's some localizations that I drew. And I want to come back to that. So I'm going to click this bookmark button here. And I'm going to say this is an SUV of interest and hit save. And now when I go back to the project detail view, I have this bookmark SUV that's been added to my bookmarks. So if I click that, it brings me right back to that annotation. If I then want to delete it, and I can just go back to the project detail view, right click on the bookmark, and you can also rename. So if I rename, it won't affect where it takes me. That'll still take me to the same localization. I can also delete. Now this last visited bookmark is kind of a special bookmark because it's managed by the system, and it just points to the last media that you visited. So in big projects where you have hundreds of pages of images or video, sometimes it's useful to just know where you were last. So if I now click this video and go back to the project detail view, if I click last visited, it'll take me back to that media. Okay, and that's all I have for bookmarks.